Can you really earn money online without creating your own products? I asked myself that just not too long ago while I was sitting at my kitchen table wondering, how far is my pension actually going to stretch in today's economy? If you don't know me, my name is Carol and I'm a retired grandmother from Canada. In this video, I'm going to share with you what I discovered and how surprisingly simple it was, and why you might want to keep watching until the end, because there's one part that most people totally overlook. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like and share, and before you go, grab a copy of my Freedom Formula Blueprint that's linked in the description below. What if I told you that you don't have to invent anything to be able to make money online? There are digital businesses where the products are already created for you. The training, the systems, even the websites. Your role isn't to build or design or figure out complicated tech. It's simply to share something that already works with people who are looking for that. This kind of setup allows people to earn additional income steadily over time, often working with just a few focused hours a day. It's not about overnight success. It's about consistency. Consistency that creates income that can help ease the pressure of living on a fixed income. If you can send an email, click a few buttons, or watch a short training video, you already have what it takes to get started. Now, here's where most people over 50 get stuck. It's the fear of technology. I'm not a tech wizard. I didn't grow up around computers, and I certainly wasn't looking to learn any complicated software. In fact, computers terrified me. I'm always afraid to hit a wrong key and something's going to break. I'm always afraid of breaking something, so I'm just too scared to even venture out and hit buttons. The good news is today's done-for-you systems are designed for beginners, not experts. Because everything is laid out step by step, people are able to build a simple online income stream without frustration or overwhelm. Over time, that extra income can help cover groceries, travel, medical bills, or simply provide some peace of mind. If I can follow along at 68, I promise you can too. If you want to have a closer look at the blueprint that I follow, it's linked in the description below. Now, let me ask you this. How long do you think your pension is going to last? Many retirees are finding that pensions and savings, they just aren't stretching as far nowadays as they used to. Prices are rising on everything. And heaven forbid that something should break down or that something needs replacing. This isn't about greed. It's about security, dignity, and having choices in your retirement. Even a modest online income can make a meaningful difference month after month. It can turn stress into breathing room and help you feel more secure about your financial future. This kind of income isn't meant to replace your pension or your savings. It's meant to support it. So, what do you actually do if you're not creating anything? You simply follow a proven system that teaches you how to share existing digital products with people who are looking for solutions. There's no cold calling, no pushy sales, just honest sharing. Many people start slowly and learn as they go and build confidence along the way. The income grows with consistency, not complexity. You don't have to know everything. You just have to start. And here's something that might surprise you, and I don't think people talk about this enough. Your age is actually an advantage. We bring life experience, trust, patience, and real stories. People listen to us because we've lived, learned, and we've earned our perspective. That trust helps build meaningful connections, which naturally leads to steady online income over time, especially where people value value over height. Your age is not your hindrance. It's actually your superpower. So if you've been wondering if it's possible to earn online without learning complicated tech or creating products, I hope this video showed you that it is. You don't need to build anything. You just need a simple system and a willingness to take that first step. And that first step could be hitting the link down below and grabbing yourself a copy of my Freedom Formula Blueprint. Let me ask you this. What is the biggest concern you have about earning money online at this stage in your life? Let me know in the comments, and I'd love to hear from you. I read all my comments. Please, I'd love to connect with you. And if you'd want to know more about this system that I use, check out this video.